Alright, so Rick and Morty Pinball. Leaderboard here has a LED apron. Looks like the LEDs actually face this way. You can kind of see the LEDs through it there. This is supposed to be UV, so hopefully this will go somewhere in the apron. We're going to find some instructions here. And if that's UV, there's a lot of neon stuff that could glow really cool in this, so I'm hoping that'll be a really cool addition to this game. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, topper with spinning topper and all that good stuff. Yeah, this is kind of green and purplish. This will glow pretty good. Okay, so Rick and Morty apron light is that white bar there. We can kick it on here. You can see it glowing. I recessed it down here just a little bit to where it follows this line. The line comes out of there. You can see that little red dot. That's the edge of the LED strip. Comes around. I haven't zip tied it up yet, but goes down there. And then, pretty simple. The power supply, let me get at it here. So you can see out the power supply here, this is the plug that plugs into there, and it has an extra connector. If there was something plugged in, you could still plug in something else. That's a little jumper, but it's just two wires, the red and the black wire that come out of this that go down and feed the UV strip. So gonna be very cool, really simple install. We'll get a zip tied back up and she'll be done, but that's how you do your UV apron strip on a Rick and Morty. Cool. Alright, so this is what it looks like with the UV apron. The greens are really green. He put the special plastics on it. You can see a little purple glow to the flippers there. He's gonna buy UV flipper rubbers, UV slings for this, and that flipper of course as well. But I think it adds a nice glow to it, and he's got, even those are glowing up there. I don't know if it is from this base light, but I imagine if this was in a dark room and we didn't have the sun shining in here like it is, this would be pretty glowy. Pretty sure glowy is a word, isn't it?
Glowy is a word.
Okay, yeah, glowy. Thanks for watching. Pretty cool.